Your SSD is keeping a secret from you. When it was brand new, it was lightning fast. Now, it feels sluggish. But here is the thing, Windows actually has a built-in reset button for that performance. It just hides it in plain sight. Today, I am showing you how to benchmark your drive, recover that lost speed, and most importantly, set up Windows so it never slows down again. No third-party software, just 2 simple commands. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why SSDs actually lose their edge. Unlike old hard drives, SSDs store data in memory cells. When you delete something, the cell isn't instantly empty. To write new data, the drive has to perform a clear and then write cycle. Over time, your drive gets cluttered with these stale pages, making every single task take twice as long. This is where your speed is disappearing. The solution is a process called trim, and while Windows has it, it often isn't working as hard as it should be. Before we fix it, a massive warning. Never, under any circumstances, run a traditional defrag on an SSD. Defragmentation was designed for spinning mechanical disks. On an SSD, it just creates massive wear and tear by moving data unnecessarily. You aren't helping the drive, you're killing its lifespan. I'm going to show you the specific command that forces Windows to use the correct optimized protocol instead of a harmful defrag. Let's see what you're working with. Right-click your Start button and select Terminal, Admin or PowerShell Admin. Type this exactly. WinSat disk drive C. Hit enter and wait about 30 seconds. Look for 2 specific lines, sequential 64K read and sequential 64K write. Screenshot these or jot them down. This is your before picture. Usually the write speed is where you'll see the biggest drop-off on an unmaintained drive. Now, let's force the recovery. In that same terminal window, type defrag / and O, then space C. This O flag is the magic key. It tells Windows to analyze the drive type and apply the specific optimization it needs. For your SSD, it triggers a trim command. This wipes those stale memory pages and prepares clean space for new data. If you have an older SATA SSD, you might see a speed boost of up to 30%. If you have a high-end NVMe drive, the change might be smaller, but that's actually good. It means your drive's garbage collection was already doing its job. Here is the final step that most people miss. Search your Start menu for defragment and optimize drives and open it. Find your SSD and look at the scheduled optimization section. If it says off, you found the problem. Click Change Settings and make sure Run on a Schedule is checked. This ensures Windows keeps your drive optimized in the background, so you never have to run these commands manually again. 2 commands and 1 setting. That is all it takes to keep your storage at peak performance. Do me a favor, run that first benchmark again and post your before and after write speeds in the comments. I want to see who got the biggest boost. If this helped your PC feel snappy again, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.